Hey, welcome to Captain America. Crypto coming to you. We coming to you with the XEN charts. Let's go. We're going to get over here on the charts and see where XEN is currently sitting at 0.0095. She is down on the day at 2.85%. We are 3 hours and 48 minutes in this new day. As we get over here, we're looking at the 1 hour chart. Since that crash, XCN's been steady coming down. It wicked all the way down below the 786 here in this level of support on the day. Didn't come all the way back into that level of support, just wicked down to it in the last 2 hours here. And she got a little bounce. Right now, XEN looks very weak on the hour chart. Looking for XEN to come back, drop below the 786 into this fair value gap here, this support level, where she might pick up some support and try to regain momentum to get back above the 786 to the 618 up here at 0.00985. These markets are taking a beating, people. It is a lot of people have pulled out of the market. As we can see on the others chart over here, we're sitting down on the day a little over 1/4% already on the new day. We're sitting at 248.57 billion. And right now, as you can see here, it's showing in the market that this is a level of resistance on the others chart. That's crypto total market cap excluding the top 10. So we get over here, I'm calling for Bitcoin to continue to go down. Very little volume coming in here. On the 1 hour chart, it did get down to $109,713. Let's get back over to XCN. We'll get over on the 4 hour chart. As you can see right here, there's a strong level of support on the 4 hour chart right here at the 786. A good strong level of support. As you can see, today she wicked down below to the 1. Right below this level, strong level of support right here on this fair value gap, and got us some momentum and went back up above the half and wicked all the way up above the 1 and came back down right here above the half at a price of 0.0102 and came all the way back down and wicked right below the 786. And now she's moved back up to the 618 at 0.00985. But currently she is, she come down to the 618, and then on this hour we on right now, she came down. She's sitting at 00955, but she also wicked right below the 786. So as you can see, we've had some volume to come in, not much, but it's selling volume. Looking for XCN to come back down to the one here at 0.00864. Retest this and get a bounce here, and pick up some more support to get back up above the 786. ZEBEC looks, she did have some good volume to come in here earlier today and push the price back up. She did push up above the 1 cent, but quickly got rejected. You got a level of resistance right here, and above that you got a stronger level of resistance working against XCN. So look for XCN to drop right back down to the 0.00864. Not trying to scare nobody, but this market is going to continue down, especially after the stock market opens Monday. Looking for the stock market to maybe pull back also some more. Looking for a lot of people to go come Monday and start selling their ETFs, like in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and people, and I'm calling for Bitcoin to pull way back. If she loses this level of support right here, she pulls back through these, she's in between two fair value gaps, two good levels of support right here. Let's see if we can get to one day on, if she loses these two levels right here, she's going to drop below 100,000. And could go all the way down to 95. And I've been saying, you know, I've been months back. I was calling for XRP to go back to $2.50, and I was calling for not XRP, but Bitcoin to go to 95 to 98,000, and I do believe come next week she's gonna get that. She's gonna fall down between 95,000 and 100,000, 100,005. Now she could get a bounce, but this fair value gap right here ain't really a strong level of support. Your stronger level of support is right here between 100,500 and 103,350. So many would say we're gonna get a bounce and we're gonna go to the moon, but no, we're gonna continue on down, because on the last 12 hours here, we've had a lot of selling going on. A lot of selling. Yesterday, not 12 hours, but the last 2 days, we've had a lot of selling to go on. And we're in this new day, 3 hours and 45 minutes. It has started out green so far, but it's low volume. It's very low volume, and Bitcoin can move up on the low volume long as it's buying. But come Monday, when when the market's open and they can get their ETFs and sell them, start selling off in their ETFs, you're gonna see another drop in Bitcoin. It's gonna continue to lose momentum. Cause to many, I feel like we're going back into a bear market with Bitcoin. I just don't believe. I just think the bull run is over. This is, yeah, I know tariffs has got a little bit to do with it, but Bitcoin's taking out a lot of money, a lot of loans, and you'll probably get a trade. You'll probably get a bounce somewhere here, and it'll run up a little bit, and it'll take out a bunch of shorts, and it'll reverse the process and come back down and take out some more loans. I'm predicting, Bitcoin, in this bear market to pull back from around 70,000 to 85,000. So, and it's not far from that right now at $110,724. I'm gonna say you're still 25,000 from being at 85. And I could be wrong, things could change next week and this market start back up, and it could surprise me and go right on above 126,000 on up to 150,000. It's hard to say, but by what I've seen and looking at 2021, it's saying that we're going back to a bear market. If it gets above, it'll have to get above 126,000 to prove me wrong. Can we go back up get close to 120? Yeah, but for me to say that I was wrong in this bull run, it's going to have to get above 126,000 and stay there. But right now, if I was a betting man in a casino, I'd bet we're going back to the bear market. You're gonna get some pumps and then you're gonna get dumps. But I'm pretty sure we won't get, for a little while, get nothing like this, because I think it was Hyperliquid. It took out more than all the other exchanges put together, just about. Binance, Coinbase. Kind of make you think, on old Hyperliquid. Somebody said it's named Hyperliquid for a reason. So, but look for XCN to pull back. Like I say, look for XCN to pull back. Let me get this off of this. Well, I can go back to 1 hour. Yeah, look for XCN to pull back to 0.00864. You might see a little push up, but it's at a resistance level right now on the 1 hour chart. So you're gonna get a pullback into this support level right below the 786. And come down and at 0.00904. And if she loses that, we're gonna come on down and retest this low level of support right here where she bounced before, and then run up at 0.00864. But I want it to come and give you an update on XCN. And at the time of this recording, it's 12 o'clock a.m., 10th month, 12th day, 2025. And I'll leave you with that. I'll come back and do one on ZEBEC. And always remember, God loves you, and Jesus Christ is the only way. And we'll see you on the next one. Later.